What's up, y'all? So in today's video we're going to learn how to do smooth scrolling with just CSS. This is what we're going to make today. It's a simple navbar with a bunch of anchor tags in it, and if I were to click one, it'll smoothly scroll down to that section of the page. Let's get into it. Alright, so go ahead and open up your code editor of choice, and I made two files already called index.css and index.html. They're both empty right now. So inside of the index.html file, what I'll do is type in doc, and it'll create this template for the HTML file that we need. And to connect the CSS to the HTML, I'll do a link tag, and inside of here I'll give it a rel is equal to style sheet, and link it, href to index.css. Alright, so inside of my body tag right here, I'm going to create my navbar and all the sections that we're going to need. So I'll type in nav, and inside of the nav I'll have 3 anchor tags. So this one, the first one I'll just type in 1, give it an href is equal to #1, and I'll copy this and paste it twice. And instead of 1 we have 2 and 3. And outside of the navbar I'll create 3 different div tags. First one is going to be called first div, and I'll give it an ID is equal to 1. Copy this, paste it twice, and instead of doing 1, 2, and 3, there we go. And the first one is going to be second, and the third one is going to be third. There we go. Alright, so now we're done with the HTML portion of the tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and open up my index.css file, and I'll target the body tag first. Inside of here I'll give it a margin of 0 pixels. I'll do display flex, align items center, justify content center, and flex direction to be column. Next I'm going to target the nav, and inside of here I'll give it a background color of purple just so we can see it. Padding, go with like 2em and 0, and text align, let's do center for that as well. And for the nav anchor tags I will do color, let's do white. Next one, margin, let's do 0 and 1 em, and text decoration we will do none, so we don't have that little underline that the anchor tag usually has. And second last thing is going to be our div tags. For that I'll just do display flex, align items to be center, justify content to be center, height to be 800 pixels just so we have a little bit of separation between each, and width, just make it a little bit bigger, I'll just do 99 ems. Let's see what this looks like, if we can see anything. There we go. So now we have our anchor tags that we can click, and it teleports us down, but it's not smooth. To add the smooth scroll, it's quite simple. All you need to do is target the HTML, and inside of here we will do scroll behavior to be smooth. And now if I refresh, let me type in nothing in here. If I were to click in 1, it'll take us down to the section 1. If I were to click in 2, take us down to section 2. And it'll be a little bit more choppy, but if I click section 3, we go to the third section, but it still overlaps the second section a little bit. But that's how you do smooth scrolling. Now if you don't want the smooth scroll, you can just get rid of it, or you can turn it back to auto, and it'll be back to the teleportation really fast scroll. Cool, so I hope that video made sense. If y'all enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.